How I turned $200 to over $3,000 step by step. Many people think you need thousands of dollars to start trading. I started small and flipped my account. Here's how you can do the same. The first step is to find a high probability setup. I only trade when I see my winning pattern has formed, so I don't gamble with trades that are not valid. The second step is risk management, risking only what you can afford to lose. Even when trying to flip a small account, you can still manage your risk by splitting the money you have across different accounts instead of putting it all in one account, and you run the risk of losing it all in the event of a losing trade. The third step is to let the trade play out, and this is usually the hardest thing to do, but at the end of it all, if you're able to control your emotions and avoid chasing the market, the patience that you exercise will pay off big time. This is the same method I've used to go from struggling to consistently profitable. I've put everything I've learned into a simple step-by-step mentorship to help you start trading the right way. And for the next few days, I'm offering a 20% discount for those serious about learning. Go on and send me a DM with the word flip, and let's get you started.